आज का जो क्वेश्चन है वो हमारा डेली लीड कोड चैलेंज का क्वेश्चन है 1921। ठीक है, एक फिल्म भी थी यार 1921, अगर आपने देखी ना हो तो वो घोस्ट फिल्म थी, जरूर देखना। ठीक है, और कोई प्रमोशन नहीं है। एलिमिनेट मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मॉन्स्टर। बेसिकली वी हैव गिवन अ क्वेश्चन in which we have playing a video game where we defending our city from n number of monsters, and there is a distance with size n, and distance I is denoted to the initial distance in kilometer of the ith monster from the city. The monster walk towards the city with a constant speed. The speed is around given in a speed vector which were given in our question. So ith monster has ith speed kilometer per minute, and you have a weapon. Once fully charged, you can eliminate a single monster. मतलब आप एक सिंगल मॉन्स्टर को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो एक बार चार्ज में, एंड द वेपन जो है वो 1 मिनट लेता है टू चार्ज इट अगेन. यू कैन लूज एनी मॉन्स्टर रीचेज योर सिटी. अगर कोई भी मॉन्स्टर आपकी सिटी पे पहुंच गया तो यार आप मर जाओगे क्योंकि वो आपको मार देगा. एंड इफ अ मॉन्स्टर रीचेज द सिटी एट एग्जैक्ट मूवमेंट a weapon is fully charged, it is also count as a loss. So your game is going to end. So we have to return the maximum number of monsters which we can eliminate before we lose. So guys, this is our question and we have to find how many maximum number of monsters we can eliminate. So there is a formula which we already learned in many times in our school life, like speed is equals to distance upon time. And here distance and speed is given, so we can calculate the time of our monster reaches to the city. And as we calculate our time to reaches to the city, then what, we can compare it one by one and we just know the answer. So first of all, we just make a double vector. Double is, that's why, because our distance upon speed is sometimes is exponential, is sometimes to be decimal, that's why not exponential, decimal. ठीक है, तो टाइम कुछ इस तरीके वाला यूज कर लेता हूँ मैं. देन इट्स अवर speed size I plus plus, and we have to just push back what, हम टाइप कास्टिंग कर लेते हैं जिससे कोई दिक्कत ना आए. Double, and this is our distance I. Speed I. Okay guys, and after that we just what, our answer is 0 कि कितने हम एलिमिनेट करेंगे. our time taken is 0. Now we use auto A to time, and auto A to time we just have to compare कि if our A in our time area which is taken a monster to reaches to the city, if it is मतलब our time is more, so we loses because monster reaches, else we eliminated. Answer plus plus. But before doing all such things, we just have to sort, because less number of time taken by a monster must be in starting. So that's why we doing a sorting here. Let's run our code. Yes guys, it's going to accept it. Now we submit our code. So our daily lead code challenge is completed. Please submit your solution also and be with us.